Okay, so yesterday on build day 6, we completed the second drawer and put down some glue on the edges to kind of seal up the sides of the plywood because it was Home Depot plywood and it's pretty bad. And today I'm going to be gluing the opposite side since the first side is dry. We're going to do a little more sanding and then put the faces and the handles on the drawers, and then the drawers will be 100% complete, and that's very exciting because then we are very close to being done. So here we go. Okay, so while I'm waiting on the glue to cure on the sides of the drawers that I've done, I'm gonna drill the holes into the side of the frame that are gonna hold the hooks that are going to utilize the turnbuckles to secure the whole thing into the back of the truck. So I'm gonna drill those holes now. Now that most of the gluing is done and we're waiting on the glue to dry, the next step for me is going to be to clean out the inside of this box and then mount the remaining plywood, I guess. Like that'll pretty much be the finishing of the box, and then we can actually mount that in the truck. So we're making good progress, and this adventure's been fun so far. Okay, and now it's time to clean this thing off, fix in those screws, and throw some glue on it. That's that. Okay, we're in the truck now, and if you can see in the corners here. Okay, inside the truck now, I'm going to be putting down some silicone sealant in the edges of the bed there. As you can see, that's daylight coming through. That's daylight coming through. Just around the edges of the bottom there, that way we can control the airflow. I think I'll leave these holes in the bottom open, but that stuff around the edges, I'm just gonna fill that up real quick with silicone, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so just caulked the bottom edges of the truck bed to control the airflow and bugs and whatever else. And I understand that those holes are probably there to let out water, but since the topper is on there and they used really good sealing on it, I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it, and we'll see what happens. And today's a really nice day, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and end day 7 right here. Thanks for watching.